The power of your thoughts. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you constantly focus on negativity, you attract more negativity. If you shift your mindset toward positivity, you create opportunities and growth. Negative thinking can become a habit, but like any habit, it can be broken. Common causes of negative thinking: fear of failure, past experiences and traumas, negative influences, news, toxic people, etc., self-doubt and low self-esteem. How to break free from negative thinking. 1. Identify negative thought patterns. Pay attention to how you speak to yourself. Are you constantly saying things like, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never succeed"? Recognizing these thoughts is the first step to changing them. 2. Challenge your negative thoughts. Whenever you think something negative, ask yourself, is this thought actually true? What evidence do I have to support or disprove this thought? What would I tell a friend if they had this thought? 3. Reframe your mindset. Instead of saying, "I always fail," say, "I am learning from every experience." Instead of thinking, "I'm not good enough," say, "I am improving every day." 4. Limit exposure to negativity. Your environment affects your mindset. Reduce time spent around negative people, social media drama, and negative news. Instead, surround yourself with positivity. 5. Use daily positive affirmations. Start your day by saying empowering statements.
I am strong and capable. I attract positive opportunities. Every challenge is a chance to grow.
Real-life example: Jim Carrey's mindset shift. Jim Carrey grew up in poverty, but he refused to let negative thoughts hold him back. He famously wrote himself a $10 million check for acting services rendered, and dated it 5 years in the future. Years later, he landed a movie deal for exactly $10 million, proving that a positive mindset can turn dreams into reality. Key takeaway: negative thinking is a habit that can be rewired. By changing your thoughts, you change your future. Please like, comment, and subscribe